You're watching WPBF 25 News.
Next, their son made the ultimate sacrifice for his country. And now, as a local family sees their new home for the first time, they have a message to the people who helped build it. Here tonight, local groups are making sure the members of a Port St. Lucie family who lost their son while he was serving in the military have a new place to call home.
Gene and Kathi Sandburg saw what their new home will look like once it's built. They're the parents of Petty Officer Brendon Sandburg. The Gold Star family is getting a 2,400 square foot home mortgage-free. The Sandburgs say what's most important is that the people providing the house for them aren't forgetting their son.
All the time that we're talking to everyone here at GL Homes in the city of Port St. Lucie, they're mentioning Brendon's name. And as long as they mention Brendon's name, he continues to live. And that means everything to us.
The house will be built by GL Homes on a plot of land donated by the city of Port St. Lucie. Their home is expected to be completed in the summer.